Get ready to be blown away by the 11 coolest kinetic gadgets that will take your relaxation, focus, and concentration to the next level. From mesmerizing kinetic sculptures to innovative gadgets, these cool and mind-bending products are all available on Amazon. Stay tuned to discover the ultimate collection of the coolest kinetic gadgets. Number 11. Novatropes. Have you ever wanted to bring a touch of art and relaxation to your workspace? Well, let me introduce you to Novatropes. These coolest kinetic gadgets are not just ordinary sculptures, they're a visual delight that creates an infinite motion. Imagine placing a small figure on the dock and watching it spin while being illuminated by strobe lights. It's like having a mesmerizing piece of art right in front of you. The design of these sculptures follows the principles of the golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence, resulting in stunning geometry. With Novatropes on your desk, you can enhance your focus, concentration, and find a moment of calm in the midst of a busy day. So why not add a touch of relaxation to your workspace with these amazing kinetic gadgets? Number 10. Limbo. Are you ready to witness a mesmerizing spinning wonder? Introducing Limbo, one of the coolest kinetic gadgets you'll ever come across. This self-balancing gyro top can spin for hours without stopping, captivating anyone who sees it. Whether it's on a coin or even a tomato, Limbo can effortlessly spin on various surfaces, thanks to its smooth texture and exceptional design. It's like having a magic trick gadget right in your hands. With a rechargeable battery that conserves energy, Limbo can provide you with an extended spin time. From being a fascinating desk toy to a unique keychain, this Guinness World Record breaker will surely add a touch of wonder to your day. Number 9. Mezmocoin Galactic. Are you ready to embark on a cosmic journey right at your fingertips? Introducing Mezmocoin Galactic spinning coins, the coolest kinetic gadgets that bring the wonders of the universe to your desk. These mesmerizing coins feature holographic patterns inspired by real space footage of galaxies. Each option offers a unique glimpse into the vastness of the cosmos. Whether you're a space enthusiast or simply seeking relaxation, these pocketable coins are perfect for on-the-go entertainment. And with the included leather sleeve, you can carry the wonders of the universe wherever you venture. Get ready to spin, relax, and explore the galaxies with Mezmocoin Galactic. Number 8. Newton's Cradle. Have you ever been captivated by the mesmerizing motion of Newton's cradle? It's one of the coolest kinetic gadgets that never fails to grab our attention. With its simple design and elegant momentum, it adds a touch of wonder to any setting. But it's not just a decorative piece. Newton's cradle can also be a fantastic tool for teaching physics and demonstrating Newton's laws of motion. This particular version is crafted from durable stainless steel and features beautifully reflective balls that almost invite you to gaze at your own reflection. Get ready to relax, focus, and witness the captivating magic of Newton's cradle. Number 7. Agility Flipo Flip. Say hello to the Agility Flipo Flip, one of the coolest kinetic gadgets that will push your abilities to the maximum. Despite its simple and compact design, this little piece of metal holds endless possibilities. With a flick of your wrist, you can make it flip and roll across your desk. But beware, it takes practice to master the art of flipping. Challenge your friends and see who can achieve the most flips. And here's a pro tip. Try it on a sloping surface for an extra edge. With different shapes and materials to choose from, like the lightweight matte aluminum version, the Agility Flipo Flip is the ultimate gadget for relaxation, focus, and concentration. Let's dive into the mesmerizing world of flipping and discover the joy it brings. Number 6. ANAPHOR Kinetic Desk Toy. Introducing the ANAPHOR, one of the coolest kinetic gadgets that will captivate your senses. This kinetic desk toy is more than just an art piece. It's a hypnotic whirlpool that will leave you and your coworkers in awe. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail and premium materials, the ANAPHOR exudes elegance and quality. With the ability to customize the liquids inside, you can create stunning visual effects by pouring in different liquids of your choice, from colorful fruit juice to shimmering pearl dust. Watch as the ANAPHOR unveils marvelous natural phenomena, creating a sense of relaxation, focus, and concentration. Spin it and let the magic unfold on your desk. Elevate your workspace with the enchanting ANAPHOR. It's the perfect desk companion for those seeking tranquility and artistic wonder. Number 5. Anti-Gravity Water Drops. Experience the wonder of defying gravity with anti-gravity water drops, the coolest kinetic gadget you'll ever see. Watch as water flows upwards in this mesmerizing hourglass-like device. With ambient lighting, it becomes a captivating sight. While it may be a bit noisy, it features an integrated ionizer to purify the air. But here's the best part. You can actually touch the water droplets. With no glass barrier, you can interact with them, adding a sense of awe and amusement. Enhance relaxation, focus, and concentration with this unique kinetic gadget that defies the laws of physics. Get ready to be amazed. Number 4. The String of Pieces. Introducing the String of Pieces, a mesmerizing kinetic sculpture inspired by the myth of Pisces. With a single nylon thread and 2 motors, it creates stunning standing waves, embodying the principles of persistence, of vision, and the stroboscopic effect. As the string rotates rapidly, it produces a soothing ambience and captivating visual effects. Perfect for relaxation and focus, this versatile gadget fits seamlessly on your nightstand, bookcase, or work desk. Immerse yourself in the beauty and tranquility of the String of Pieces, a true marvel of kinetic art. Number 3. Moving Sand Art. Are you ready to immerse yourself in a world of tranquility and wonder? Introducing the Moving Sand Art, the coolest kinetic gadget that will captivate your senses and transport you to a realm of relaxation. With its mesmerizing dance of sand, air, and water, this sand picture creates an ever-changing landscape that will leave you in awe. Whether you want to focus, concentrate, or simply unwind, the Moving Sand Art is your ultimate style-savvy solution. So why settle for ordinary when you can add a touch of magic to your life? Experience the beauty of kinetic art like never before. Number 2. CaLeQi Overturn Toy. Are you ready to unleash your creativity and relieve stress with the coolest kinetic gadget? Introducing the CaLeQi Overturn Toy, a mesmerizing piece designed to captivate your imagination. Crafted with precision from high-quality aluminum alloy, this toy combines durability with stunning aesthetic. Watch in awe as it effortlessly overturns forward, showcasing its perpetual motion. And that's not all. You can also spin it on a horizontal surface, challenging your technical abilities. So are you ready to master this extraordinary toy and evoke amazement from your friends and family? Get ready to say wow as you explore the endless possibilities of the CaLeQi Overturn Toy. Number 1. Playable Art Lollipopter. Have you ever wished for a sweet escape from stress and boredom? Introducing the Playable Art Lollipopter, the coolest kinetic gadget that will leave you mesmerized. With a simple twist, you'll create a captivating display reminiscent of a twisted lollipop. Watch as the plastic pieces transform into a delightful candy-like formation. The Lollipopter comes in 4 vibrant colors, allowing you to choose the one that suits your style. Whether you use it as a stress-relieving tool or a captivating desk decoration, this kinetic wonder will bring a sense of relaxation, focus, and concentration to your day. So are you ready to indulge in the whimsical world of the Playable Art Lollipopter? Which of these coolest kinetic gadgets blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech content.